Hi everyone, thank you for watching DreamSpree Studio Yoga. My name is Shannon. Chappy's at home, but he will be at the end of the video, so make sure you check that out. Today I'm taking you through a very quick feel-good chair yoga flip. Great for bringing a little positive energy into your day. If you've already liked and subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. I appreciate you. If you like yoga videos, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos every single week. Let's go ahead and get into a nice sturdy chair. Sit back comfortably. Just bring the hands down to the knees. You can have the palms facing up if you need to receive energy for your day. If you need more of a grounding energy, you can put the palms down. Whatever you choose, let's go ahead and settle in and close your eyes. Begin to bring the attention to your breath. And without judgment, notice how the body feels today. Notice the state of your emotions today, also without any judgment. And if you would like to set an intention for your practice, something you can bring your mind back to in case it begins to wander, maybe something positive you can bring forward into the rest of your day. Now's a good time. On your next inhale, go ahead and float your eyes open. I'm going to scoot forward just a little bit in the chair, so I'm about halfway up. Bring the arms down to the sides. Inhale, arms up overhead in tall mountain. Exhale, bring the arms out to the side. Cactus arms. Inhale, back up. Exhale, down. Let's do one more round. Inhale, up, tall overhead. Exhale, down. Now bring the arms down to the sides. Raise the right arm up overhead. Inhale up tall. Exhale over towards the left side, sliding the left hand down the side of the chair. Gazing up underneath the right hand. Just breathe here, breathing space into the right side of the body. Inhale, back up through center. Float the right arm down to the side. Inhale the left arm up, and then exhale over to the right side, gazing up underneath the left hand. If you have any neck injuries where this is too much for you, you can always just gaze in front of you or gaze down. On an inhale, come up through center. Exhale, bring the left arm down to the side. Now we're going to take both hands, reach behind to the back of your chair, maybe scoot forward a little bit more. Inhale up and exhale, pulling the chest back, sinking forward with the head, just getting a good stretch in the shoulders. Again, make sure you're grabbing the back of the chair. On an inhale, come back up, bring the hands down to the side, scoot the butt back a little bit. Now inhale, arms up tall overhead. Exhale, clasp the hands together, bring them behind your head. Inhale, up. Arching back slightly. Exhale, forward. Bringing the elbows down towards the knees. Hold here for a moment. If this is too much on the back of your neck, you can always let go and just bring the hands down to the sides. Just breathe here. And inhale, back up. Exhale, bring the hands down to the sides. Make sure that you're over towards the front of your chair. We're going to go into gate pose. Just slide the right foot out to the side. Try to bring it out straight. If that hurts you or is too much, keep a slight bend in the knee. We never want to force a yoga pose. There's no reason for that. Inhale the arms out to the sides in a T, and exhale, slide the left hand down the side of the chair. Look up under the right hand. Inhale back up, and exhale over to the right side, sliding the right hand down beside the knee, looking up underneath the left hand. Don't put pressure on your knee here, you're just gliding the hand down the side of the leg. Inhale back up through center, and exhale, go back over to the left. Inhale through center in a T and go over to the right. Inhale through center. Bring the right leg in to meet the left. Bring the hands down to the side. Let's do a big inhale here. Inhale up, gathering energy. Exhale down. Bring the hands to heart center in prayer. Pause here for just a moment. You can close your eyes if you'd like. Bring your mind back to your intention. What's something positive you would like to manifest in your day today? See if we can bring that forward through our practice. And exhale the hands down to the sides. We're going to go to the left side now, so just extend the left leg out to the side, just slide it out. And again, if you need to keep the knee bent, that's fine. Inhale, the arms up in a T, and exhale, slide the right hand down the side, look up underneath the left arm. Inhale back up through center in a T, and exhale, gliding the left hand down the side of the leg, looking up underneath the right arm. Don't forget to breathe. Inhale back through center, exhale, going over to the right, gazing up. And inhale through center, exhale, going back over to the left. Inhale back through center in a T. Bring the left foot in to meet the right. Exhale the arms down to the sides. Let's do another inhale up tall overhead. Inhale, collecting positivity into our day. And exhale, bring the hands to heart center in prayer. Now go ahead and release all the way down, the hands from heart center, and just fold forward. Getting a bit of a stretch in the low back. You can bring the hands to the front legs of the chair. Inhale back up, dragging the arms to the sides. Good job, everyone. Now let's scoot back a little in the chair. Cross the right leg over the left knee. Bring the left hand over the right knee. Bring the right arm to the back of the chair. Inhale up and exhale, twist, gazing behind you. On an inhale, come back through center. Release the twist. Now prop the left leg over. Reach behind with the left arm. Cross the right arm over. Inhale up tall and exhale, twist. Gaze behind you. If this hurts your neck, just look in front of you. On an inhale, come back to center, bring everything down to the ground, come back to center. Let's sit back a little bit in our chair, prepare for final rest. Bring the hands down to the sides. Just sit back comfortably and float your eyes shut. And begin to feel a warm wave of relaxation all the way from the top of your head, across the eyes, across the jaw, the throat, the chest. Feel that warm wave of relaxation crawling all the way across the arms, the stomach, hands and hips, making its way down, erasing all tension as it goes across your thighs, your knees, your calves, ankles, and feet, drawing all tension down into the earth below you. Feel how you're completely supported here by gravity and the earth, and you are safe. If you'd like to pause this video and stay in Savasana longer, feel free to do so. Otherwise, let's begin to deepen our breathing, make some small movements with the fingers and toes, maybe some rotations with the ankles and wrists. Reach out long overhead for a big stretch, and bring the arms back down to the thighs. Let's do one more scan of our body. See how it feels differently than when you began your practice. And thank yourself for taking a few moments out of your day to do something good for you. You can bring your hands to heart center in prayer and open your eyes. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me for a little yoga today. If you would, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. It's an easy way for you to support free yoga on YouTube. And if you'd like, let me know how your practice is going. Drop me a comment. I love hearing from you guys. Until we meet again, may you be happy, safe, and peaceful. I'll see you next time.